Very good morning, guys. It is really hot, and this is the quietest the villa has ever been since we've got here. We're gonna go grab some breakfast, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning, by the way, and we're gonna go do some island hopping. We're gonna go explore and show you guys, well, I'm gonna try to show you guys what the whole Thailand experience is all about, and well, specifically Koh Samir and the neighboring islands around it. I shall see you guys in a bit. What's going on, boys? Cool, now we've arrived. The minivan has actually dropped us off here by the harbour side. We're gonna jump on a ferry. I think it's about a 2-hour ferry journey to the first island, and then we're gonna take it from there. What I think would be really good is if we all invest some time as a collective unit to explore the island using our mopeds and jeep, jeep, whatever it is. But I'm sure we'll get down to that. We've got plenty of time to still explore, record, and all sorts. Right, after half an hour of waiting, we're finally boarding the boat, the ferry, speedboat, whatever you want to call it. I don't even know anymore. It looks like we're crossing the border, doesn't it?
I'm sunburned and I'm dying.
Yeah, I'm sunburned. I'm cold and thirsty as well, so it doesn't help. And I'm kind of partially sat in the sun. It doesn't help either.
There's actually no water at the moment.
Yeah, there isn't actually. Yeah, that's not good. The thing is, if you bring a bottle of water on these kind of trips, after 5-10 minutes it just goes warm. So there's no point in some ways to even bring it. And this doesn't help either because I'm sweating like mad. I'm sweating like mad. Anyways, no pressure. Guys, we're just waiting. Actually, we're just chilling. We're just waiting for food to come.
We're waiting for the food.
We're waiting for the food. Did you have breakfast?
Cereal.
Slight breakfast. Yeah,
Cereal,
slight breakfast.
But
Little small. That's mangoes. The honey mangoes, that was called. They're really nice. Really.
The kayaking was alright. It wasn't too bad.
Kayaking was alright. It was
just the boat was sinking to the floor, which wasn't. Yeah. It's not ideal.
No, definitely.
Especially in this, there could be anything in there.
These islands that are here, there's 42 islands, all like little small bits and bobs. From what I know, the gentleman said that one of the James Bond movies was filmed here, and yeah, so that's pretty lit. Right, we have finished with this island. Unfortunately, we couldn't even climb Viewpoint because firstly, this isn't the island that we're going to climb. It's actually a different island we're going to climb with the company that we're with. Cool, so we're going to just get back on the jet speed and we're going to go to the island that we're going to climb all the way to the top. I've got these bad boys. I've got those bad boys on. They're like socks, but underneath it's like hard, so you can walk on the beach on stones. Not so much on stones, but mainly on like stones inside the kind of underneath the water and stuff, and on the beach without hurting your feet. So that is pretty much it. Right, on to the next destination. We are at the new island, which was a 2.5 hour, no, I'm joking, 2.5 minute literally journey from the previous island. This mountain is referred to as Mother Island, and it's not as high as the one that we're going to go after this. The next one is going to be 500 meters. I think this is only like 100 meters or something like that. Right, we're at Mako Island here. It's about 200 meters high, I think. Yeah, let's get to the top and see what the views are like. Oh my days. Right guys, meet homie Wakas.
Hello, how you doing?
What are your thoughts on these steps?
They're very steep and I could die at any moment, so if I do, just I love you all.
Honey! Long time no see.
How are we doing?
The last time we were on holiday together was...
Shut up, don't. I know what you're going to say.
Spain. Espanol.
Espanol.
And
now we're in Koh Samir.
Now we're in Koh Samir, yeah. What are your thoughts on Thailand so far, bro?
Listen, I mean, at first day went so good, but now it's just ridiculous.
We've only got 45 minutes to get to the top and down. Uncle. Hello, guten Tag. Where's your... Bro, the sweat's dripping off my nose.
Alright, cool. So this island's been done and conquered. We're off to the next island, which is a staggering 5 minutes away. 5 minutes until we climb a 500-meter mountain. Luckily, after every 100 meters, there is a stop for you to kind of, you know, take a break. So that should be good, because after 100 meters, the last one was 150 meters, and honestly, all of us died. island that we're climbing is known as the Sleeping Cow Island. And the reason it's called Sleeping Cow Island is because cows used to live here, they used to eat the grass and then go to sleep. The cows kind of went away, they died, I don't know, something happened, but then the humans started doing that because, you know, the islanders here, they all have boats and stuff. And to be honest, Thailand in general is really cheap, so you can just get a boat, easy, cheap money to get to this island or whatever. So what people typically do here is they eat and then they come to this island to sleep. So a large majority of people here are lying on the floor and trying to catch a nip, which it's quite something, yeah. So the Sleeping People Island now. So the name swapped from Sleeping Cow Island to the Sleeping People Island. This is a climb.
This is the worst.
I am willing to make. I think what would top this island off is if a monkey came down to take a selfie with it. The plan for yesterday was we go to an excursion, but we left it after like half an hour, mainly because there's animal cruelty going on, all sorts. So we left it, and here is the man them who are struggling. Are you struggling?
No,
are you struggling? It's always good when you come here to just explore and do stuff, because honestly, last thing I want to do is be the kind of person, maybe if I retire in the future I might do it, but be the kind of person that just goes to another country and chills at a hotel by the pool and just enjoy the weather, read a book, listen to some music or whatever. But that's not me. Because I'm only 24 at the moment. I'm trying to make the most of it at the moment. So yeah. Right, so that was the 200 meter mark, and now we've gone up 300 meters left. This is never ending. Yeah, I hope the vlog is looking good. I'm always conscious about my vlog, just making it enjoyable and interesting for people to watch. So please do let me know if you like it, or if in the future I need to change or add something, maybe with the editing or maybe the content or maybe the places I visit. I always say this, but Europe is an amazing continent, but compared to Asia and Africa, there is not much difference in regards to what's there. Sure, the scenery, maybe the landscape might be different, but look at this island. Boom! 300 meter mark. I knew I'd make that 300 meters. Not that hard at all. It's like a walk in the park. It's not that easy at all. I mean, it's not that hard at all. I just need some water and some ice. Right, so that was the third stop at 300 meters. The next one is I think the next big climb. I don't think there's a fourth stop. I think the fourth stop is just the top 500 meter view. So let's soldier this through in one go without a stop. Which sounds optimistic as hell, but I'm sure we can do it. I sound like I'm reading out a horror movie, God. Okay, so there was a fourth stop, which was the 450 meter mark, which means if my mathematical calculations are correct, there's only 50 meters left. And believe me or not, 50 meters looks so close yet so far away. Look at this view. Wow! Definitely worth the blood, sweat and tears. Not so much the blood and the tears, but definitely the sweat. Right, so that's the Sleeping Island, conquered, done, dusted. We're at 500 meters right now. My feet are currently burning. I'm gonna slowly start making my way down and probably go for a sleep. First have some water, cool myself down and probably sleep until it's time to go. What a view, what a view. Well, it's definitely worth it, definitely worth it. If you're ever in Thailand, make sure you come here. All right, so 500 meters done and dusted. I think it was a good climb. We saw some monkeys, good views, okay food, and yeah. It's definitely worth it. If you're ever in Thailand, make sure you do something like this. Definitely book some excursions, keep the days productive. It's always good to stay by the pool. It's always good to, you know, go to the seat stand or wherever, but it gets a bit boring. So make sure you do these excursions. Haggle is my best advice because these guys are trying to make money off tourists. That's their main form of income, tourism. And yeah, use your bargaining chips correctly, haggle, and make the most out of it. I'm gonna go back over there, first grab a drink, wash myself, and then sleep for a bit until it's time to go. Jump on a speedboat, go back to the hotel, sleep some more, shower, sleep some more, and then call it a day. That was it. Let's get on the boat and let's make our way back slowly to Koh Samui. Right, we're back at the harbour side. It is time to call it a day. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the Thailand vlog. Until next time, make sure you keep up with Bako vlogs, and yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. I always try and make it interesting, as I say. That's what this one was.